Hi everyone, this is Komal from Ashirwad Jaipur. We are back with our all new collections in little heavy ones and cotton ones. All the designs we showcase is our own manufacturing, so we deal in both wholesale as well as retail. For any orders or queries, contact us on 960 2265 888. I repeat, 960 2265 888 is our one and only number on which we take orders. So let's start with our first design. This is in Jimmy Choo fabric with see the handwork on the neck, handwork all over on the kurta, in cotton inner attached. See the pants with this, muslin pants, and see the organza dupatta with this. This comes with this cut work organza dupatta. The dupatta is also very beautiful, and for the first time we have sizes available in these heavy ones from 40 to 50. All sizes available: 40, 42, 44, 46, 48 and 50. All sizes available in this design. You all can take a screenshot and let us know what size you want. We have very limited stock, so please book fast. So in this sizes are 40 to 50 and the price is this 2895. 2895 is the price for this. This is the second design in Jimmy Choo fabric with see the handwork on the neck, little handwork spreaded all over. Again, this is Jimmy Choo fabric, cotton inner attached, muslin pants, and see the Jimmy Choo same fabric, stroll dupatta. Sizes again 40 to 50. All sizes available and the price is 3195. 3195 is the price for this. Again in this we have sizes from 40 to 50, all sizes available. This is modal muslin fabric with see the work. This is katha work all over. This is all embroidered, not the print. Katha work all over on this. See the beautiful printing, fingerprints all over. Cotton inner attached, muslin pants with this, and see the cut work muslin dupatta with this work. Sizes are 40 to 50 and the price is 2795 only. 2795 is the price. This is jute fabric with see the handwork on the neck. See the very nice neck. See the work all over on the kurta. Cotton inner attached, muslin pants, and see the heavy dupatta with this. Just have a look at the dupatta. In this sizes are 40 to 50 again and the price is 2895. अब तक जो सारे डिजाइन दिखाए हैं सब में साइजेस 40 से 50 तक है और इसका प्राइस है 2895 only. This is again a Jimmy Choo fabric kurta with see the work on the neck, work at the bottom all over. This is again Jimmy Choo fabric with cotton inner attached, muslin pants, and Jimmy Choo dupatta with this. See the print. See the print. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is only 2795. Only 2795 is the price for this. One more design in Jimmy Choo fabric with see the work. This is all over work. See the nice printing, lilac color, cotton inner attached, muslin pants, and see the dupatta. Jimmy Choo fabric, same fabric dupatta. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 3195. Another design in Jimmy Choo fabric. This is one of my favorite designs. Just see the work. Rahul, focus karna work pe. Just see the beautiful work all over. See the fingerprints on the sleeves also. Just see the embroidery on the sleeves. Cut work at the bottom. Cotton inner attached. Muslin pants. And see the Jimmy Choo dupatta with this. Same fabric, dupatta with this work. See the fingerprint on the dupatta also. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is only 3195. Only 3195 is the price. That was all embroidered. That was not print, it was embroidered. Now this is silk fabric with, see the handwork on the neck, handwork all over. This is very nice soft fabric. See the work, see the beautiful handwork on the neck and all over. See the designer neck. Cotton inner attached, muslin pants, and see the dupatta, organza dupatta with this. Sizes are 40 to 44 and the price is 3195. 40 to 44 size and 3195 is the price. I was planning to come online since morning, but then so much rush at my counter. Still my customers are waiting outside. Again a silk fabric kurta with this handwork on the neck. Handwork on the neck. This is original silk fabric with, see the cotton inner attached, silk fabric pants, and bandage dupatta with this in silk. Bandage dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is only 3195. Only 3195 is the price. Ek aur de de. Now this is organza fabric kurta with, see the handwork on the neck, all over, spread it. At the bottom is the print, cotton inner attached, muslin pants, and organza printed dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 2995. 2995 is the price for this. Now this is pure muslin fabric kurta with, see the nice figure print and rest is the print. See the print, beautiful print with handwork, little handwork all over. Cotton inner attached. These are the pants and see the muslin dupatta with this. Muslin kurta with muslin dupatta. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 2995. 2995 is the price for this. Another design in pure muslin fabric with, see the handwork on the neck. This is all pure muslin. At the bottom is the shifli fabric. See the sides. Cotton inner attached. We have different kind of pants in this. Please zoom and see the pants. We have different type of pants. Corduroy pants with these buttons at the corner. So this is a very nice suit with this pure chiffon dupatta. Dual shade dupatta. Sizes are 40 to 44 and 2895 is the price. 2895 is the price. This is another design in pure muslin fabric in bandage print with handwork on the neck. This is all bandage print. Muslin fabric, inner attached, muslin pants, and see the organza dupatta with this. Sizes are 40 to 46 and the price is 2995. Another design in pure muslin fabric. This is crepe, this is pure crepe fabric with, see the handwork in the center. Rest is the print. Crochet detailings at the bottom. This is cotton inner attached, muslin pants, and chiffon dupatta with this. Chinon dupatta with this, Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 2995 only. Pure crepe fabric, very nice soft fabric, 2995 is the price. Now this is another design in pure crepe with, see the handwork and print. See the handwork all over. This is very nice soft fabric. See the sleeves with these detailings. See the bottom with this organza detailings. Cotton inner attached, muslin pants, and organza dupatta with this. See the organza dupatta with this printed stroll dupatta. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 2695. This is another design in muslin fabric with, see the embroidery on the neck, embroidery at the bottom, cotton inner attached, muslin pants, and see the dupatta. Cutwork dupatta with this. See the dupatta. In this, sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 1795 only. Sorry, in this sizes are 40 to 44 and the price is 1795. Now this is in chiffon, this is in Georgette fabric with this gota patti work and hand work on the neck. Gota patti work all over. Cotton inner attached. Muslin pants. And see the dupatta with this. Georgette dupatta with little Mukesh work. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 3595. 3595 is the price for this original Vandesh suit. 38 to 46 is the size. This is again now a pure muslin fabric A-line suit with this different style neck, little pleats in the center. See the design. This very beautiful suit in pure muslin fabric. See the sleeves with the handwork on the sleeves. Handwork, neck, pure muslin pants and organza dupatta with this. Organza dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 3195 only. Now few designs in cotton I'll show you. This is in Kota Doria fabric with see the embroidery all over. This is Kota Doria fabric kurta with embroidery and sequence work all over. Cotton inner attached. Cotton pants with this work. And see the cotton dupatta with this. Kota Doria dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 2195 only. Now this is a pure cotton fabric suit in Jaipuri print with this handwork on the neck. Now I'll go a little faster. My customers are waiting outside. Cotton suit with handwork neck, cotton pants and cotton malmal dupatta with this. In this we have two colors. One is this green color and second is this orange color. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 1495. Another design in cotton malmal. This is pure malmal fabric with this work on the neck. This is pure malmal with this crochet detailings in the center and at the bottom. Cotton pants and in this we have Pakistani sleeves with this lacing at the bottom on the sleeves and mal dupatta with this. Cotton malmal dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 1895 only. Another design in cotton malmal fabric with see the handwork on the neck. See the nice printing and sequence work at the bottom. Cotton inner attached. Cotton pants and see the mal dupatta, stroll dupatta with this. Sizes are 40 to in this sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 1895. Dobby suit with embroidery. 38 to 46 is the size and 1895 is the price. Again a cotton fabric. See the very nice Jaipuri print kurta with this embroidery on the neck. This is cotton fabric kurta, cotton pants and cotton malmal dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 1895. See the very nice design. This is again a cotton fabric, cotton malmal kurta with this handwork on the neck. Crochet tailings at the bottom. Cotton malmal with this plazo pants. Cotton plazo with this. And cotton dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 46 and again 1895 is the price. Now I'll quickly show you few cord sets and then we'll end up with the video. This is a Shifli fabric cord set with see the plastic mirror work on the neck. This is Shifli fabric. Inner is attached and straight cotton pants with this. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 1795. We have two colors in this. One is this beige color and second is this black color. 38 to 44, 1795 is the price. Now this is a printed quad set. See the very nice print. This is a cotton shirt with the cotton pants. In this, sizes are 38 to 44, sorry 38 to 46, and the price is 1095 only. Only 1095 is the price. Another design in this, I'll quickly show you all the prints. This is another print, 38 to 46 is the size, and only 1095 is the price. 38 to 46 and 1095, kurta and pants. This is a little long kurta with pants. Now this is another print, 38 to 46 and 1095 is the price. Cotton shirt and the pants with the buttons. These are all the prints in the quad sets. This is marble print shirt and the pants, 38 to 46 and 1095 is the price. These are very nice cotton quad sets, very comfortable. 1095 is the price with this button. In this, buttons are there. 38 to 46 and 1095 is the price. Now two designs in little long quad sets. See, this is a little A-line kurta. This is again a quad set with the buttons in the center, and this comes with the same pants. So same pants and same kurta. See the design. In this we have two prints. One is this and second is this. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price for this is 1195 only. Only 1195 is the price for these. Now this is a chinon anarkali organza. Sorry, this is Lehriya organza anarkali with this handwork on the neck, with this plastic mirror work. See the embroidery at the bottom. Cotton inner attached. See the pants. See the pants with embroidery. See the embroidery at the pants. And see the dupatta with complete work. The dupatta is also completely worked. See the dupatta. In this, sizes are 38 to 46. This is an anarkali suit in Lehriya. 38 to 44 is the size and 3695 is the price. Just have a look properly. You all can buy for this savan, also for the Tej. 38 to 44 and 3695 is the price. At the end, the one I am wearing is again a nice crepe suit for Tej. This is very nice soft fabric. You all can buy for Tej. This has got this neck handwork all over. See the beautiful print at the bottom. See the flare of the suit. Cotton inner attached. Plain pants and crepe dupatta with this. The dupatta is also fully crepe dupatta with these tassels at the sides. In this, sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 38 to 46 is the size and 3895 is the price. 3895 is the price for this crepe suit. Also, if you will shop for 10,000, you will get this set of 4 diaries. These are handmade diaries. You will get the set of these 4 diaries. If you buy for 10,000, you will get a free gift of these handmade diaries. A set of 4 like this. In different colors we have. Any color you can get. If you buy for 10,000, you will get this handmade 4 diaries ka set for free. Thank you so much everyone, and please book fast. Thank you.